Hello everyone, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss drug addiction, abuse and prevention. Drugs, what they are and what they do. A drug is any substance that when absorbed into the body of a living organism alters normal bodily functions. Drugs are chemicals that change the way a person's body works by altering emotions and thoughts. Drug addiction means that the one becomes dependent on a drug as a habit. Drug abuse is taking a drug for reasons other than medical in any amount, strength, frequency, or manner that damages the physical and mental functioning. Drug abuse implies physical dependence upon a drug, including the development of tolerance and withdrawal. Drug abuse is an intense desire to obtain increasing amounts of a particular substance. Drug abuse is not limited to mood-altering or psychoactive drugs. Inappropriate use of a drug is also considered as drug abuse. In general, drug abuse is taking a psychoactive or performance-enhancing drug for non-therapeutic or non-medicinal effect. Drug dependence is the body's physical need or addiction to a specific agent. Over the long time, this dependence results in physical harm and behavioral problems which causes tolerance and cross tolerance. Thus, it creates a vicious cycle. The most common drug addictions are to legal substances such as nicotine in the form of tobacco, particularly cigarettes and alcohol. The WHO expert committee has now recommended substitution of the term drug dependence or substance dependence for the term drug addiction. In other words, drug abuse is the non-permissive consumption of certain substances that may lead to physical and psychological dependence. Some of the drugs often associated with this term include marijuana, cocaine, alcohol, amphetamines, barbiturates, etc. Risk factors associated with drug abuse. Use of these drugs may lead to physical, mental, social, and psychological problems. Abused drug causes a surge in levels of dopamine in your brain, which trigger feelings of pleasure. Changes in your brain interfere with your ability to think clearly, exercise your good judgment, control your behavior, and feel normal without drugs. Signs of drug abuse include physical warnings and behavioral warnings. Physical warnings include bloodshot eyes, pupils larger or smaller than usual, changes in appetite or sleep patterns, sudden weight loss or weight gain, unusual smells on breath, etc. Behavioral warnings include poor work, financial problems, secretive behaviors, accident or trouble prone, unexplained anxiety, etc. Drug abuse leads to loss of coordination, poor judgment, slurred reflexes, distorted vision, memory loss, etc. Drug abuse is a serious problem not only for the abuser but also for the society in general. Many addicted users commit crimes in order to pay for drugs and eventually end up in jails. In addition, dependence on hard drugs such as opiates carries a high mortality. This is partially because overdosage may be fatal and partially because their casual injection intravenously may lead to infections such as hepatitis and AIDS. Treatment: Treatment of substance abusers depends upon the severity and nature of the addiction, motivation, and the availability of services. It includes pharmacological treatment, fighting substance abuse, supply reduction, reduction of demand for drugs, and legalization and decriminalization. Multidimensional approaches to addiction treatment are the most successful one. Let us see what is addiction. Addiction is not limited to drugs and alcohol. People can be addicted to many things such as food, gambling, shopping, or most anything that gets in the way of a healthy lifestyle. When things get out of the hand and people behave compulsively regardless of the consequences. When the person is no longer in charge of their life regardless of the triggering mechanism, they are addicted. The addiction can take over a person's entire life. Drug addiction is a pathological or abnormal condition which arises due to frequent drug use. What causes drug addiction? There are several factors and causes to consider with addiction. First, there is a genetic component, that is what is passed on to you through your family. Second one is personality. Personality contributes to drug addiction. Third is peer group pressure. Drugs known to cause addiction include illegal drugs as well as prescription and over-the-counter drugs. These include stimulants like amphetamine and methamphetamine, etc. Sedatives and hypnotics like alcohol, barbiturates, etc. Opiate and opioid analgesics like the naturally occurring opiate analgesics morphine and codeine. Semi-synthetic opiates such as heroin, fully synthetic opioids such as pethidine, etc. There are four stages of drug addiction. First one, experimentation. Second is regular use. Third one is risky use or abuse, and the fourth and the last one is dependency. That is drug addiction. Drug addiction is a chronic brain disease because the abuse of drugs leads to changes in the structure and functions of the brain. These changes can affect a person's self-control and ability to make sound decisions and at the same time send intense impulses to take drugs. Other side effects are loss of appetite, headaches, anxiety, elevated blood pressure, chest pain, and irregular heartbeat. Prolonged use of drugs causes chronic disease to the liver, damages other organs, and may contribute to cancer. Using heavy and very high addictive drugs such as heroin, cocaine, marijuana, etc. will cause sudden mood changes, nervous breakdowns, and many other side effects. It cripples the adult's mental and physical organs. Drug addiction is a preventable disease. Treatment for drug addiction include hospitalization, behavioral therapies, occupational therapy, change in adult social environment, etc. After successful treatment for drug addiction, the person needs proper rehabilitation to say goodbye to drugs and resume normal social life as a responsible citizen. There are several tips to overcome drug addiction. They are lean on close friends and family, build a sober social network, moving into a sober living home, make break with old drug buddies, avoid bars and clubs, use caution with prescription drugs, pick a new hobby, adopt pets, set some meaningful goals, and look after your health. Research has shown that prevention programs that involve the family, schools, communities, and the media are effective in reducing drug abuse. Education is the first point to avoid drug abuse and drug addiction. Children should be taught at home and in school about drugs and their danger. Our government has taken steps to check the abuse of drugs by creating awareness through media like radio, television, newspapers, etc. A second approach is to increase police manpower and create effective laws to stop drug dealers. Legal measures are necessary to deal with the rising trend of drug addiction. A comprehensive approach towards awareness building, preventive education, counseling and guidance, de-addiction follow-up and rehabilitation of addicts is needed to weaken the hold of drugs on society. Thank you all for watching this video.